Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle by eliminating noise I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The target just hit at 10:28. I was in this trade for an hour and 12 minutes. Let's recap so I explain why I went bullish. This is Palantir on the 1-minute chart. The red line is the high of yesterday and the green line is the low of yesterday. Since it opened here, never actually touched it to retest it, and form a new low here. Bounce and reject, breaking this flag wedge pattern here. Again here on the break of this bar, my target was here. My stop was down here. It's annoying because it almost hit my target like a long time ago, but never. At that point I stayed disciplined and waited because I don't move, and sometimes, most of the times, I don't actually stay here the whole time watching. I come and adjust the chart so I can have a better view for the video. So that's it for today. It's almost 10:30 and I'm done. The trade worked, but what matters most is that the process worked. I knew my entry, I knew my stop, and I accept the outcome before I click the button. Winning days don't change the plan. They just confirm discipline. Same rules, same approach, next section. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.